Hello, my friend. It's me, Abhishek Wagle from the top of the world. Today, I'm here to share a small and exciting story with you. The topic of the story is black balloons. There was a man who used to sell balloons at a fair. He had balloons of many different colors, including yellow, blue, and green. Sometimes his sales go down. At that time, he used to release helium-filled balloons into the air. When children saw the balloon go up, they all wanted one. They would come up to him, buy a balloon, and his sales go up. One day, a smart boy came to him and asked why you released balloons on the sky. Don't you are here to sell it up? With releasing of balloons on the sky, man smiled and replied simply, I need to release balloons to gain something bigger and better than that, brother. Some of us belong to that smart boy, and there are not the black balloons playing roles on the above story. But it definitely plays a huge role in our life. These black balloons are our wants. Some of us want love without loving others. Some of us want care without caring for others. Some of we want support without supporting others on their need. Some of us want money without work. Some of us want success without giving an effort on it. Some of us want great marks in exam without preparing for that. The black balloon might be the ego within us. The black balloon might be the habit of disrespecting others. The black balloon might be the habit of procrastination. The black balloon might be the habit of lacking commitment. As in the story, the man released some balloons in the air to grow his sales. We need to release black balloons from our lives so that we can add other things to our life. So that we start to support others, care about others. So that we start to give time for making good relationships. So that we start doing work and achieve the dream success. So that we start to accept responsibilities. So that we start to build fruitful relations around us. So that we can create a helping society around us. After watching this video, I hope you will start releasing black balloons one by one from your life, so that you can add great value to your life. Thank you.